If you've ever written a ridiculous prompt like this, then your keyboard deserves better. But here's the twist. Using AI doesn't actually make you faster. It's slowing you down. Recent METR study found something wild. Programmers felt 20% faster with AI, but in reality, they were 19% slower. This study revealed a clear gap between perception and reality. But if you fix these 3 patterns, you'll be able to code faster, cleaner, and smarter than 99% of devs. AI doesn't actually know everything. Libraries update constantly, and due to knowledge cutoff of LLM models, there might not be enough information available to fix the error. And your all-powerful supreme prompt, "please fix," will fail, even if the information is available. One of the studies stated that if certain information appears only once in the training data, LLM is most likely to hallucinate about it. It's not that the AI is dumb. Its memory is just outdated. To tackle this issue, click on this icon, scroll down, and toggle the web option. This will help LLM get some extra information from sources like Stack Overflow or other sites on the internet. There's another way to provide documentation to the LLM in Cursor. Go to Settings in the top right corner. Inside Indexing and Docs, click plus Add Doc and paste the URL of the document you want Cursor to reference. Next time in the chat window, click Add Content. Docs. Select the document. Cursor knows exactly what to do now, saving you a ton of time. AI isn't always missing information. It just loses its way. Sometimes the issue is missing direction. It doesn't know which file matters, where your logic lives, or how your code connects. You don't need a smarter AI. You need to give it a map. You can ask AI to create an agent.md file with the knowledge of the entire project. And in Cursor rules, you can mention keeping this file updated and referring to it every single time. This way, in every new chat, without doing anything, the cursor will go through this file and just have the perfect context. You can create separate MD files for different modules as well if you are working on a big project. It's not always about lack of context. Sometimes it's about misleading context as well. For example, you asked Cursor to do something, but as always, it did something else. Instead of asking it again, go back in the conversation and restore the checkpoint. This will minimize the noise and confusion for AI. Even when AI is up to date and has perfect context, it can still mess up because of an ambiguous prompt, unclear intent, or too much freedom. In the Cursor rule mention, if there is any ambiguity, do not make any changes. Ask for clarity. This single line will save you a ton of reprompting. Use GPT-5 Prompt Optimizer by OpenAI. It is amazing. You will get to learn a lot if you use this. Once you learn the pattern, you can write your prompts on your own. It also gives reasoning behind changes. If this 4-minute video helped you save hours,